Hi guys, my name is Sarah Kiabat and welcome back to my channel. So for today's design I'm going to show you a Sharpie flower. So I begin by going in with my Sharpie pen. This is done on top of a top coat. And I'm basically just drawing in petals. So now I'm going in with my acetone on my brush and applying it to each of the petals. And just letting it spread out. I really like this design and it's quite easy to do. So I'm going in again to each of the petals, just to dilute the colour a bit. And tidy up the centre. So I've gone in with more pink Sharpie and just doing the same again with the acetone, applying a drop and letting it spread. So I'm not quite happy with the petals yet, so again just going back in again with the acetone, and I'm just using the brush to shape out the petals a bit better. And it's starting to take shape now. So I'm just adding more colour to the centre of the flower because I wasn't quite happy with the other colour. And adding the acetone and letting it spread. So now I'm going to go in and do a second flower exactly the same way, so I'll just let you watch that. So that's the both flowers done now, but I want to go back in and just add, I'm just doing a couple of dots here to the outer side of the petals and just going in with my acetone again because I want them to be a little bit darker. Just so they stand out more. So just do this to the petals until you're happy. So now that's me happy with my flowers. So I have top coated just to seal it in. And now I'm going in with my green Sharpie and I'll just do the same again just to let it spread along the nail so it has a background colour. As you can see, I did try painting on leaves, but I wasn't happy with these at all, so I just blend it out. So you can see the leaves here, but I'm not quite happy with these. So I'm just going to seal in with top coat, and I'm going to go in and just spread the green all around the white background. This doesn't need to be tidy. So I'm just spreading it out. And don't worry if you go over the petals, as you could just go in with the acetone and clean it up. Just giving it a background colour. So once you're happy, just go in with your top coat and secure in your lamp. So I just wanted to add on some more to this design. So I'm just going in with black gel polish and just going around the outline of some of the petals. Sorry, I'm out of shot here a little bit. So I'm just trying to darken it up a little. So just carry on doing this until you're happy. So that's me happy now with the black, and I'm going to go in and just add on some necklaces, well, what looks like necklaces. So I'm just using a fine liner brush and going in with my black gel polish and just adding on these curvy shapes. And then I will go in with my dotting tool and add on some dots. I do cure in between, just give it a flash cure just to hold it so it doesn't get smudged. I'm just going to add on another one here. So this is where I go in with my dots. So this just needs to be random, you don't need to put them in specific spaces. And pop in your lamp to cure. once you're happy. So I'm just going to go in and add on the final line for that second chain. And that is this design complete. I hope you have enjoyed. So guys, that's all for today. I would really appreciate if you could like and subscribe to my channel for future videos, and thank you very much for watching. Bye!